What's up, traders? What's up, my people? What's up, lions? What's up, millionaires? Welcome to another beautiful week and welcome to the most requested tutorial. If you are new to Forex trading, or even if you've been trading Forex for a while, there's one tool, no matter who you are, you must have heard about that tool, which is known as TradingView. So, how can you use TradingView as a pro? How can you use TradingView to be able to make money from the Forex market? So in today's video, with my 10 years of experience and after using the tool for almost about 10 years, I'm going to be telling you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly, the ins and out of this particular software and how you can use it to make money as a Forex trader coming up right now. So before we get into our tutorial, for those of you who are watching me for the first time, my name is Golov and I've been trading Forex for 10 years. I currently have the biggest YouTube channel in Africa in terms of Forex and finance because we are almost going to 700,000 subscribers on this particular page. And my page was also rated as one of the fastest YouTube channels because of the value I bring to you guys for free. So stay to the end of this video so that you can also be able to understand how to use TradingView as a pro, because at the end of the video I have a gift for you, so you need to stay to the end. So we have a roadmap we're going to be following today so that you guys don't miss anything. We're going to talk about what is TradingView. So you've been here on trading. So what the heck is TradingView? Best time to use TradingView. There are multiple tools out there, so what time should you be using TradingView? How to log into TradingView the right way. I'm also going to show you the tips and tricks on how to easily log into TradingView, how to set up your chart/layout. Things are getting interesting. How to set up your chart/layout, how to add a new asset. Some people find it difficult even to add a new asset on their chart. Then most importantly, we'll also talk about the most important features, which is the risk to reward tool and the replay trading. We'll talk about how to use chart analytical tools. We'll also talk about how to replay trading. So if you're backtesting, how to backtest like a pro, all right? And backtesting like a pro, you use what we call replay trading, where you can when you can actually replay the trade in real time. We'll also talk about how to replay trading. We're going to take an example of the replay trading. We're going to pick any strategy and we're going to replay it together just so you guys can understand how to use the future. And then we'll talk about again how to add indicators. Okay, let me just make sure how to add indicators. I almost forgot that one. How to add indicators to your chart. And then we'll talk about conclusion. So we want to keep this video below an hour so that you get everything about TradingView. From today, you won't be searching anywhere on the internet on a video concerning TradingView. So let's get started. The first one on our list is, what is TradingView? So TradingView is an analytical software where you can easily analyze your trade. I use both TradingView and MetaTrader 5. And the sole purpose for me using TradingView for the past years, although now they've made it in a way you can actually place a trade in TradingView, but for the past couple of years, almost about 10 years, I use TradingView strictly for trade analysis. All right, so I analyze my trades on TradingView and then I just go to MetaTrader 5 to execute my trade. I only just go there to put the asset, put the lot size. That is it. All right, so number one reason for you using TradingView should be to analyze your trade because it has more analytical tools as opposed to MetaTrader 5. So if you can look on my screen, if you go on my screen, just go on Google, how to get access to TradingView. Just go on Google and type TradingView. It's free to get access, right? Although when you go ahead, there are some tools you pay for a premium price, but it's totally for free. It's totally, no one should fool you. No one should sell you TradingView. It's totally free to use. So just go on your Google, you type TradingView, and then that is it. You click, the one that says TradingView Trade All Market. Right click on it and it's going to take you now to this particular page. Voila! Golov, what the heck is this? Are you already confusing us? This looks like a game. Is it a game or is it John. I'm just going to use Johnny. I'm just throughout the video, I'm just going to use Johnny for an example. Johnny, calm down. All right, I'm going to demystify this. At the end of the video, you are going to find it very, very interesting. So Johnny, are you with me? Good. So this is just what we call TradingView. You can see, look at this chart. This chart shouldn't intimidate you. I'm going to make it easy. In Forex trading, if you guys must have known me very well, I keep things simple. Don't see a chart like this, another indicator telling you to buy, another one telling you to sell, another one. No, I'm going to keep it very, very simple. Let me just make sure my computer is not going off. So I'm going to keep it very, very super simple. That's so all of this here is just what we call TradingView. Just going down, you can see TradingView chart and all of that, blah, 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 blah. This is not, I'm not interested in this. If you want to read news on TradingView, there's a lot. There's even the TradingView community where you can go there, you read blogs and all of that. But I'm more interested in the chart. I'm more interested where the money circulates, where the money is available, right? On the chart. So to go to your chart, just write TradingView/chart, and it's going to bring you, boom, to a page that looks like this. All right. You can also just download the app and install on your computer. You can see I already have the app installed on my computer, so it makes things very, very easy. You just go on TradingView. If it's Windows, you type Windows and download. If it's MacBook, like mine, I'm using MacBook Pro, so you just download and install on your MacBook, and then the tool is going to be there. So when you just open it the first time, it's going to look something similar to this. You can see this is my own chart. I currently have trades up and running, and this is how my chart looks. Can you see? This is how my chart looks as we speak. But how can you get your own chart to look as nice and as simple? You can see this looks simple. I can easily see the tools I want. I can easily see the assets. I can easily do replay trading. I can easily place a trade if I want to trade here. Everything is very, very simple. How can you get your chart to be like this? Because when you just log in, you're going to see something very, very confusing. It's going to look somehow like this. How do you set it? Let's start with the best. So we've already spoken about best time to use TradingView. So the best time to use TradingView is just to analyze your trade. TradingView is perfect for trade analysis. It's going to give you all the tools you need as opposed to MetaTrader 5. So that's the only deficiency MetaTrader 5 is having, because they don't have too many trade analytical tools. So you use it mostly to analyze your trade. Then how to log into TradingView, I just showed you guys an example. When you create your account, obviously you just go to log in. You can log in for free, log in with your email address, and you come back to this particular page. Then how to set up your chart/layout. Remember, you can see how my chart looks. You can see how these are the two profiles I'm using to trade now. These are the two profiles. You can see those are trades up and running. So how can you set your charts from this archaic way of looking to that other way? Let's start from changing your candlestick colors, because even these candlestick colors were not like this. I'm the one who changed it like that. So anytime you log in, just right click, go on settings, and then let's start with a symbol. Let's just say you are someone who trades, for example, these are my default colors, but you are someone who trades with maybe black and white candles, maybe I don't know. I see all kind of funny candlestick colors in the market. But let's just say you want the body of your candle to be green. You want the border to also be green. Okay, let me put it here. You can also change the border to be whatsoever color you want. All right, you can also change it to be this, and you can also change the wick to be whatsoever you want. So let me just change it so you guys can see. You can change it to be anything you want. So I'm just going to put this one. Then I'm also going to put this one. Also going to put this one. Can you see? If I click on OK, voila, can you see how it looks? Can you see? There are some people who trade, they prefer their candlesticks to be like this. There are some people, they prefer their candlesticks to be like this. You can also change the background. Go to settings, come down to where it says trading. Check where it says background. Let's go background. That is it. I'm going to change it from white to black. Can you see? Voila. Can you see? You can change it anyhow you want. Then if I don't want an indicator like this volume down here, just right click on it. You go up here and you can see volume tick. You can see, just click on this small icon to remove, and voila. Is it making sense already? It's already looking clean. It's already looking clean. For you to go left and right, you just right click and you push it left and right. For you to zoom out the candle in and out, just use this button on your mouse. This circle button right here. You just screw on it. It's going to zoom in and out. Then you can also, if you want to have more space, you can also use this up and down. That's it. You can use this up and down. You can zoom in and out. and you can go left and right. It's flexible, you can do anything you want. So that's what I wanted to point out there. So let's go back to the default. Let's make it looks like mine. Look at how mine looks, right? So let's make it to look like that. Let's start from setting. Let's go to the symbol body. We're going to go back to this. We're going to go back to red. Borders, we're going to go back to this. We're going to also go back to this. And then week, we're going to go back to this, and we're also going to go back to this. You can just pause the video and use the same settings I have, right? So that I don't need to keep doing it over and over. If you click on OK, voila, that is it. We need our background to be white. So click on canvas, change background from that to pure white. Voila! This is what I want. This is, you can see, I can easily draw things. I can easily do things here. I can easily draw. I can easily do my analysis. I can easily write. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So that's why I just prefer this one. And if you are doing anything, you want to delete everything, just click here, delete, remove drawings, and it removes them at once. So that is how you set your chart profile to look like mine. And then again, let me just close this one so that you guys don't get confused. Okay, let's also increase, I want to increase my brightness so that you guys make sure you see everything super clear. Now, we've already sorted this one out. Let's go to now how to set your layout. Remember, everything you are seeing here, these are called layout. This is layout number 1. You can see I call this layout GUMVRO. This layout here, I call it GUORB. These are different strategies. So that today, if I want to trade with GUMVRO, I come to this chart. You can see this is what I was analyzing over the weekend. This is what I'm expecting to see. You can see, voila, the market is doing just that. So I don't want to keep confusing. You can see Golub University moving average strategy. That is it. You come here, the Golub University open range breakout strategy. There are full videos on YouTube explaining this strategy. So I don't want to confuse myself and know that, okay, and anytime I want to trade on this particular layout, if it's a different strategy, I need to come again and I cancel my trades that I've already planned. No, just open a different profile, and I'm going to show you how to open a different layout, and I'm going to show you guys how to open a different layout. So that is it. Layout, this you can see this layout. I call this one tutorials. I call it tutorial, but if I drop here, you can see I have a couple of layouts right here. If you want to create a new layout, just click on create new layout, and then maybe you can just come to the current one which is already existing. You copy the template, you go on chart template, copy it, and you just go there and you put it on this particular one. It's just going to automatically appear on that one. Or you can just come to this one, right click on the current one you just open, go under chart template, and you see some template you've saved. So make sure anytime you like the way your chart looks, make sure you click on your screen, go on template, and go on save as. Save as, and you can just, if I can just put this one tutorials, and click on save. And then I go to this new one. If I click, let's just change this one to something you don't like, right? Let's change this to maybe even this. You can see how this one is looking, but I don't like the way it looks. I just want it to look like this. So this template, what I'll do is I just click here. Since I already saved that one, I go under template, tutorial should be somewhere. I just need to reload the page or open a new one. So let's just open a new one, guys. Let's open a new one, and you can also just click here, and then it's just that here you need to import your chart, create new layout. So I personally don't like that one. So you just go on layout, create a new layout, and I'm going to call this one tutorials 2, or I'm just going to call it tutorials, anything 2, and then I'm going to click on OK. You can see that is it. It opens a new one, but now I don't like that template. So I go under template. You can see this is the template which we saved the other time. So I click on it. Voila! Can you see? Very, very simple. I can now remove this volume. I just click on volume, go up here and remove. My chart is back to looking like this. All of these other stuffs here are just indicators you can always add on your chart, and I'm going to show you guys how you can add indicators on your chart. So that's how you differentiate. You use layouts to differentiate your different strategies. Each strategy you are backtesting should be on a separate layout so that you don't get yourself confused. Everything should stay in one place. If I want to trade on the GU open range breakout, let's check what has been happening since morning on the open range breakout, right? Open range breakout is very, very simple. At the start of major market sessions, you just come there. Let's see what has been happening just to show you guys the importance of doing what? The importance of setting your profiles. This is the open range breakout right here. You can see this is the London candle, and at the close of the London candle, what do? You just come here, you put your sell stop right here, buy stop right here. You can see our sell stop was triggered, and if we're going for a risk to reward of even 1:2, as I always preach, would have already been out of the trade. So stop loss there, and we'll go for a risk to reward of 1:2, would have been out of the trade already. You see. So that's just, it's very, very cool. You can already see what would have happened. And if you go to a different profile, it stays on this profile. It stays on GUORB profile without changing. So that's what you need to do. Use different profiles for different strategies, all right? Just show you guys an example. That was a cool 2%, very cool 2% of your account you would have made in the morning using GUORB strategy. Now let's go to this one. We're going to close this one and then just focus on close without saving. And then we're just going to focus on this one, which is tutorial 2. You've now known how to set your profiles to look as clean as this. You've also known how to remove any indicator from your chart. Let's talk now on how to add any indicator on your chart. To add any indicator on your chart, you can see up here it says indicator. Just click on it, and then you see here, and you can search any indicator, maybe moving average, any indicator you want to put, or maybe RSI, any indicator. We have more than 2 million indicators in TradingView. Let's just put RSI. You can see relative strength index is right there. If I click on it, it's going to appear on our chart. Can you see? That is it. I can also put the divergent indicator. I can put all of that. I can just put as many indicators as possible. Look, just look at this. Look, I'm just going to add as many as possible. Good. Look at how my chart looks. Can you see how my chart looks? Those are just different indicators. I've added different indicators on my chart. So in most cases, I'm not going to use all these indicators. So what do I need to do now? To remove the ones I don't need, I just come up here and I start removing. If you just come up here, you can see all the indicators. You just start removing them one by one. All right, just come right up here. Or you can just go under indicators. You'll be able to see the ones you've, let's just go under personal. All right, you'll be able to see all the indicators you've put on the chart. Remove 6 indicators. If you want to remove all the indicators as one at once without going up here to be removing one by one, you just right click on your screen, go to remove 6 indicators. One. All the indicators are removed. We can then minimize this and we are back as our chart is back as it was. So that's how you add an indicator. You just go up there, you search the indicator. You can even start the indicator. If I go on favorite, you can see I've even added these 2 indicators, the market sessions by Leviathan. So this is the indicator we're using right here. That's able to show us the different market sessions. You can see the New York, the Tokyo, the London. So this indicator is this indicator called the market session by Leviathan. If I click on it, voila, you will see it on the chart. Can you see? That is it right on your chart. So that's how you add any indicator, and you can switch between time frames. If you want to switch between the 1 hour time frame to the 4 hour time frame, just come here, you click there, you can go on different any time frame you want. You can even set your own time frame right there. You can change this from maybe candlestick to maybe volume candles, line candles, step candles, area, all of that. You can you see? I doubt if people even trade with this, but you can change all of that. You can change it. You can change. I'm even seeing some of this for the first time, but yes, you can do a lot. Hakenechi candles, yes, I know of Hakenechi candles. I've used it a couple of times, so you can still use that one as well. You can still change it. I'm just using this advantage to see it. Oh, they're too many. They're too many. Look at this other one. Yo, they're too many. Look at this other one. But anyway, the best is just candlesticks. All right, candlesticks is this one. So make sure you always just stay on candlestick. This one right here. Holo candle. Which one is that? I don't know. So I'm just going to use candlestick with the body. Use the candlestick with the body. That is it. And then here again, you can add another currency pair. You can compare the currency pair. You can do a lot of things. And then here is just our profile. Maybe you want to put four different charts at once. Then here, that's where you come here and open template. You can put another chart this side, put another one this side, put another one this side, put another one this side. But in most cases, I don't confuse myself. I just leave one chart on one profile like this. If I want to change and go to another one, I'm just going to go to my watch list, which I'm going to show you guys how to set your watch list very, very soon. Then replay is right here. Let's just say you want to replay a trade. You want to replay a trade, you just click that one right there. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Yes, okay. So we're going to come to replay. You can set an alert. An alert is very, very easy. Maybe you want a situation where if the market gets to a particular level, let's just say you want the market, you want the market or the chart to alert you anytime the market gets somewhere here. You just come on your chart. When you put your mouse right there, you can see the small plus button. You click on it. You can set an alert. That's it right there. You can create an alert right there. Anytime the market gets here, you get a notification. Ping, ting, 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 ting. An email will also be sent to you if you already signed in with your email. But you can also just delete it. Just click on it and you can delete the alert. It's right there. You can set another one below. Let's just say now you also want the market to let you know once the market hits here. You just come click there, go under alert, and boom, the alert is already there. Immediately the market gets here, if you were sleeping, it's going to wake you up and then you can run and come and place your trade. But anyway, let's remove it. Just hover over and then you can remove. TradingView is very easy to use. To easily put items and remove is as easy as ABC. I think those are the most important things. Remember, I'm trying to cover everything you are seeing right here. Good. Before I go now to these tools, I'm going to show you guys how to use all these tools here as well. So don't get confused. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to show you guys how to use all these tools here. So let's set our market watch. Our market watch is where we've got to see all the currency pairs that are moving. We've got to see all the currency pairs we are trading. We've got to see all the assets on our watch list. So how do you add an asset to your watch list? You go on your watch list, there's a small plus. It's right there. You just click on that plus and here you can search any symbol. Let's say even today I want to trade even BTC. All right, let me just search anything, Bitcoin. I click on OK, just click on plus. It's already added. Bitcoin is already added. Let's just say I want to trade even USD ZAR. USD ZAR is right there. So that is it. I click on plus again. It's already added to my market watch. So if we scroll down, these are the two pairs we just added. If I click on USD ZAR, boom, you can see that's the United States dollar South African rand. If I click on BTC, boom, you can see that's the BTC. So let's remove this indicator since we are not using it, since we are not relying on indicators. We just want our chart to be the way they are. So that's BTC. You can see the current BTC price is on $83,000. You can switch this to maybe the 4 hour, the 10-minute time frame, the 4 hour time frame. You can switch it as long, and if you see it like this, don't get, just pull it down, fix it to look nice. You see, you can push it in and out. You can always make it anything you want. So let's drop it back to the 1 hour time frame, just so we have it as clean as it was. That is it. So that's how you add any asset to your market list or to your watch list. How can you configure your market, your watch list? Because I don't want all these symbols, all these things, the volume, the change, the last price, the change. I don't want to see all of that. I'm not interested in seeing all of that. I'm going to see it in MetaTrader 5 when I want to place my trade. The most important thing is just the spread, which in MetaTrader 5, I can easily just see the spread on MetaTrader 5. So for this one, you can remove. I want us to remove all of this except the symbol. I want just the symbol to be there. That's it. So you just come here on these 3 dots. You click on it, and then you untick last price. You untick the change. You untick the change in percentage, you untick the volume, and then we want it to just be like this. That is it. We want just the symbol. And then since you've left just the symbol there, you can then pull it to the right, just so you can have more space to analyze your chart. All right. So you just come here, just put your mouse like this, and then you can pull it to the right. Okay, just need to be very careful. Okay, let's take it a bit up. Okay, so you just pull this. I like to just pull it right to the right. You can see, that's it. Now I have enough space, I can do my analysis. The only thing I'm just looking, I already have all my currency pairs, and you can arrange them. Let's just, for me, if it's this, the way I arrange my currency pairs It's the same way if you go on my MetaTrader 5. Let me open my MetaTrader 5 just to quickly show you guys this. It's the same way if you go on my MetaTrader 5, you're going to see it, all right? So I'm going to open it in a VPS. My VPS alone has more than 15 MetaTrader 5s in store because I have a lot that is going on. I have a lot of backtesting that I'm doing. So if I just come here and I open that one, let me close this one. And if I open just this one, I want to show you guys something really quick. Okay, let me just go here. And then I'm just going to minimize this a little bit. And that is it. So if I go here and I close this, can you see the same 4 currency pair: Great Britain Pound USD, USD JPY, Euro USD, and Gold. These 4 currency pairs are my most traded currency pairs. My most traded currency pairs. That's why if you come here, I'm just going to zoom this one so that we can always come back there, because we're still going to use this. So I'm just going to put it where we can easily locate it. If we want it, we're still going to use it. So I can just minimize that. And if I come back to TradingView, you can see what are the top 4 currency pairs: Euro USD, USD JPY, Great Britain Pound USD, and Gold. So you can always arrange them. Let's just say CAD JPY is one of my favorite pairs. What do? I'll just drag CAD JPY right up here and I put it. I can always move it. Just click on it and drag. You just click on it and drag. You can move the currency pairs wheresoever you want. Can you see that? You can move it wheresoever you want. So that's very easy when you're arranging currency pairs on your market watch. And anyone you want to trade, you just click on it. You can even set an alert on the currency pair to tell you where the market is actually getting on flag pair. You can do a lot of things. Let's just say I already have a pair. I have a pair inside here, maybe Euro AUD, that I already have a setup that I'm waiting. What I'll do here is I just come there and I flag it. You can see this flag will be telling me that, okay, I actually have a pair which I need to come back and trade very soon. You can even set it up and have different flags. You can change the color of the flag. You can change the color. You can do a lot of things. You can change the color. So just play around with it. Enjoy it. But the flag option is just there just to let you know, okay, if I'm trading on, you can even add more flags. You can add as many flags as possible, just so if you see the different colors, you know, okay, I actually have this currency pair, or maybe this strategy on this currency pair, or maybe there's a trade running on this currency pair. You can use the flag option as flexible as you want. All right. For me, if I'm trading a pair, so long as I already have a trade on that pair up and running, the only thing I'll do here is I'll just come and flag that pair. So if I just see red, I know I have a trade there up and running. I know I have a trade here up and running. I know I have a trade on NASDAQ up and running. But we're just going to remove all of them. I wanted to actually show you guys how you can use these flags. Use these flags to maybe group your currency pairs, or maybe group pairs that you're just waiting to come and execute a trade, or maybe group pairs that you already have a trade. You can play around anyhow you want with the flag. It's called the flag option. Then another thing I wanted to point out on the market watch is just here, like I said, you just click on the plus. You can add different currency pairs. You can come on your market watch. You can create different market watch. Just as I'm saying, you can be able to create different market watch. Maybe you have your FX. Like what I'm showing you guys here is typical FX, typical Forex market watch. You can come here, you right click on, you just click on this drop down and you create a market watch strictly on crypto. That's it, strictly on crypto. You have another one which when you just open, you know that these are my crypto, or this is my crypto market watch. You have another one strictly on indices. All right, but for me, I don't want to get things very complicated. I just keep it like this. If I want to trade this pair, I just come there. I can easily see the pair. You can see the country and the flag, country and the flag. That's why you see the Euro and the South African flag right here on Euro/South African rand. So that is that on how to set up your chart/layout. Then we've also talked on how to add a new asset/watch list. You can also create multiple watch lists so that you can group your asset according to different watch lists. Then let's quickly go on how to use chart analytical tools. Very important, how to use chart analytical tools. If you can look on my screen, let's go back to our favorite Euro USD, or let's just go to gold, and you can see what is happening on gold on the 1 hour time frame, right? Gold has been buying right here, or gold has just been the way it is. How do I know if gold has been buying or not? I can start by bringing in an indicator. To bring in that indicator, I have what we call moving average exponential. All right, so I just click on it, or you just go here, you just search on moving average exponential. You're going to see this one. You right click on it, it's going to appear on your chart. That is it on my chart. But I need two. I need one with a moving average with a period of 10. I need the faster one with a period of 10 and the slower one with a period of 23, so that I can easily know when the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. So you just go back again. I can already change this one. Just go here, go on settings. I change the period on this one. Let's go on input. I'm going to change this one to 10 because that's our fast moving average. Source, I'm going to put this one on HL2. There's a full video teaching you guys about this indicator, right? But the source or the closing method, I put HL2 also stands for the median, and I click on OK. So that is it. You can even again change the thickness. Maybe the thickness, you just want it to be a little bit thicker. Visibility, you go here and style. You can just, let's go here and the thickness, let's choose the second thickness. And that is it. You can see it's more thicker now. We need another indicator. We still need another moving average again. So you just go back. I made a mistake. I click on market session by Leviathan. We're going to remove it. So let's go back and add another indicator. Moving average is, this one is going to have a period of 23. So let's just go on settings again. And we're going to go on input, put this one period 23, HL2. And then the color of this one has to be red. That's it. The color has to be red, so that we don't confuse ourselves. Voila! That is it. So with this, I don't even need to go far. I can already see what has been happening. If I can see very well, the market crossed from a downtrend to an uptrend right here. So an uptrend is seen clearly when the fast moving average crosses over the slow moving average from below. So our 10 exponential moving average is the fast moving average because the period is small and it reacts faster to prices. So that's why the one with the period of 10 is instead our fast moving average. Then our exponential moving average with a period of 10 reacts slowly to price changes. So that's our slow moving average. So anytime the fast moving average cross over the slow moving average from below, then that's a buy signal. You have entered on a buy right here. And then anytime the market pull back to our slow moving average, we enter again on a buy. We just keep doing the same thing. This would have already bought you a house, or just this trend alone would have already maybe bought you 2 or 3 cars. You see, that's how you trade. That's how I could easily just see the trend on this particular chart by just putting those few or just dropping those 2 indicators on my chart. Remember, I'm showing you guys how to use these tools right here. And this tool, this one is actually called the brush. All right, you can even go there. There are many of them. There are many. Maybe you want the triangle. The rectangle is just like this. You want the rectangle where you want to show a particular zone to say, okay, if the market can hit that zone, all right? So just again, maybe this zone, you are looking to enter on this zone. You're looking to say, okay, the market has been consolidating on this zone, or this area has been a major consolidated area. Maybe you want to change it. Instead of a triangle, you want maybe something like this, like that, like this. You see, there are too many tools. Even to today, maybe you want a pathways like this. To today, I don't even still know how to use all these tools here. You can change. There are so many. Maybe you want a circular path to show that the market has been. This has been the key area where the market has been moving. You can always play along with the chart. You can do. That's why I say TradingView can't compare. You can't compare TradingView with MetaTrader 5 when it comes to chart analysis, because it just has too many tools, too many awesome and nice tools you can use. Maybe Polygon, where maybe you're just looking for a key area to say, okay, this one, you can still be able to use that. And if I'm drawing something like this and you want to stop, the only thing you just click escape on your computer. Boom, it's going to stop, all right? Then another key one I used to be this triangle where I can just plot here, and there. This is called the butterfly pattern. Most of you guys who trade price action, that's a typical butterfly pattern right there. But what the heck, my chart now is too dirty. So I guess Johnny is wondering that, what the heck, bro? Your chart looks so dirty. Johnny, don't worry. If you get your chart at any point like this, to be able to remove everything you've put on your chart is just by one click, all right? Just restart everything and start from square one. Just go here where it says, the name there is remove option. Just click on it and go to remove everything. Maybe you can remove all of the indicators, or you can remove all of the drawings. I want to remove all of the drawings. Boom, they're gone. Can you see that? You can even click on it again. Everything is gone, even including those moving averages. All right, so you just remove everything automatically. And then this one again is maybe when you want to draw a line, you want to maybe draw a pattern. Like if I just come here and I take this line, maybe let me just show you guys. Maybe I'm just plotting this. You can see clearly that would have been our uptrend right there. Can you see? So you can come here again. There are going to be many tools inside here. Many tools you can use. And then again, if you want to use tools like the Fibonacci, the Fib channel, the Fibonacci, the Fib circles, all of that, the most used one I use here is the Fibonacci tool. For example, this was our most recent swing low, most recent swing high. Let me start by plotting our most recent swing low and our most recent. So this was our most recent swing low, most recent swing high. So if I plot my Fibonacci, I just go back here and I click on Fibonacci and I can draw from here to here. And I'll just wait for the market to push back to our 38% level and I buy. So I would have bought somewhere right here. So these are just you can see this is a typical point of confluence because that same area I'm saying I would have bought somewhere here. You can see the market actually tested that same downtrend. This is just called our support and our resistance. So that's how you can actually use different points of confluences to take your trade. So that is it. You can see that is very, very clear. So that's how you can easily use the Fibonacci. Again, you just come there. You can easily draw your fibs. You can easily see different key levels and stuffs like that. Then another one here, this is just this one. Maybe you're looking for cylinder patterns, all of these and all of that, all of these. These are people who want to complicate their life. Mostly, I don't use all those patterns. Maybe head and shoulder. Yeah, head and shoulder is just something like this, where you ham this one, this one, this one, this one. You can see that becomes our head and shoulder pattern. So mostly, like I said, I don't complicate my life with all of these. Maybe ABC pattern, ABC pattern, like that, like that, like that. That is it. That's our A, that's our B, that's our C, that's our D. Why will you complicate your life like that? But there's many people, Johnny, don't worry. Johnny, there are some people who just like complicated things and they want to complicate their life like that. I'm even just seeing some of these patterns right now because I've never worried myself using them. Then if you want to draw again, you can see you have your brush. You can come here, you can draw Johnny. You put Johnny's eyes, you put Johnny's nose, you put Johnny's mouth with some teeth inside. Voila! If that's how Johnny looks, then when Johnny starts making some money, he will look better than this. But yes, that's how you can get your brush tool right there. You can also use your highlight. Maybe you want to highlight a key area to say you can see this area of momentum, fair value gap, crossing over the fence, Fibonacci, these ICT people. ICT, you guys like confusing people a lot. But yes, if you want to confuse people the more and you want even the highlighter, you can come there and you find your highlighter. Just come here, have fun with it. Test most of these things out. You can test the curve out. You can test them out, right? But like I said, to remove all of this on your chart is just by one click. Just go back here. You click there on remove object and you remove 28 objects. Boom, your chart is back to how it was. And then again, if you want to text something, you come on this T, text and note. It's called text and note. If you come there, you can see you can easily text. For example, I'm under, let's just say this is a tutorial video for my YouTube millionaires. You see, you can write anything on the screen. Maybe you can zoom this in and you call this area. Maybe you just click again on the text. You call this area your support. Maybe you can even change the color of your support. You put like that. You call this area up here, or maybe you can go back. Remember, I already showed you guys how to use these lines. Maybe you go up here and you put this line. You call this one your resistance. You call this. You bring another line. You call this one your support. So that's my support. Then I go under text. I call this one my resistance. My resistance. You can see that is it. You can even change the color of your resistance from that to red. You can change it to any color so that I know my support is a different color, my resistance is a different color. You can go, instead of text, you can use an anchored text. And anchored just means I'm saying, okay, let me just use an example of an anchored text. Maybe I'm saying I'm going to buy somewhere here, buy here. So anchored means if you go left and right, it's going to stay right there. It stays right there on the chart. So most of the time, I prefer to use this other one without the anchored so that it stay on the chart at the exact place. You can still write some notes. Maybe I'm coming here. It gives you a lot of space to write your note. So it says, maybe just watch the market to pull back to our 61%, to our 61% level FIPS for us to buy. You can do all sort of things. You can see, so that note is going to stay there. It's going to stay there forever. You can actually drag it and put here, meaning you're already telling yourself, you can reduce the size of the note. All right, then you drag this and you put here. It's already telling you that, okay, if the market gets there, you can easily see that particular note. You can even add another note somewhere here telling you that maybe you are journaling your trade. Maybe you can even use this to journal your trade. To say, okay, I actually took a trade here. This was my TP. This was my stop loss. These were the emotions that played. The emotions. The strategy. This was the strategy I used. So you can do a lot of things. You can use that to instead journal your trade. Can you see how this is already looking nice? That's why I love TradingView a lot, because of just the analytical option. It gives you a lot of options for you to easily analyze and do things. You can even put a table. You can even put a table. It's a new option that just came in. You can do a call out where you actually write and then you say maybe buy here. There are many things you can do with this call out option. You write, maybe you just change the position. You put again somewhere here. And maybe you notify what you did there. Maybe once the market, I bought here on, maybe you can just say I bought here on the 11th of March, because that was what I did, and I made a total of $11,870 because that was what I did. So you can actually put it there so that anytime you come on your chart, bro, it's gonna stick there forever. It's going to stick there. It even sounds as motivation for you. Anytime you come on your chart, you can easily see it. So you can actually use the call out option, or you can use note. You can remember, you can always change the color. You can always do a lot of things. And remember, all of that is under text and note. Always understand the heading. This one is brooches. This one is projection. This one is patterns. This one is Fibonacci. This one is lines. And then this one here is just have your crosshair, your dot, and all of that. Always make sure if you want to pull left and right or erase, you can come here, you see the arrow. Just put it under arrow. Then after that, let's put this back on text, and then let's go under icons. Under icons. So I made a lot of money here. So what kind of icon do you think we can put here? We can actually put the money icon. So the money icon is this one, and then we can put it here. That is it. That is it. We can put our money icon right there, because remember I said I made a lot of money right here, so I can put a money icon right there. Then again, somewhere I saw somewhere here and I lose money, so I can come here and I put maybe, which one, maybe I was sad, I was angry because I lost money somewhere here, so I can put the emoji. I can do a lot of things, all right? I can do a lot of things. So those are just icons you can play around with. Then this one is called, let's go back here. This one is called measure, where you can actually measure. Maybe you want to measure from here to here, the number of pips. You just click here, measure. That's where you can easily know the number of pips. So let me just show you guys again how to easily use that tool. Maybe you want to measure the number of pips from here to here. What you do is you just go under measure and you just click on that area and you pull it right up. If I pull it right up, you can see that was a total of 1,975 points, which is 195 pips. All right, remember a pip is 1/10 of a point. So when you draw that, you can actually see the points here. You can see everything. If you go under another currency pair and draw, you're going to see the same thing. Maybe you want to see the move from here to here, how it was. You're going to see it right here. So that was 284 points. Yes, in points, 2,840 points, which is the same as 284 pips. All right, so always convert it to pips. But that is it. That's how you can easily measure the number of pips. And then again, another tool. This one under long. This one under it's called projection. I didn't do a lot on this one. But one of the highest tools we're going to use here is what they call the long and the short position. All right, the long and the short position, very, very important. Let's just say I want to buy somewhere here, and then I can just click there. Let's say I want to put my stop loss right here. Just putting where I want to put my stop loss. If I drag this up and down, you can see it's going to show me the total number of pips. It's going to show me the risk to reward. This is the most useful. One reason that made me to start using TradingView was because of this tool. The projection. Under the projection, the risk to reward. I call this the risk to reward tool. This was one reason why I started using TradingView. All right, so you just come there, you drag up and down, you can be able to see the total number of pips. And let's just say I want to risk 100 pips on this one. I just drag, I put there. If I'm dragging up and down and I want a risk to reward of 1:2, I can just drag onto, you can see that's a risk to reward of 1:2. It means this total number of pips here is going to be the same as, it's going to be 2 times the number of pips right down here. For example, you can see this one is 75 pips or 71 pips, 718 points, which is the same as 71 pips. So this one is 71 pips, and what can you see up here? This one is 143 pips. So our stop loss is 71 pips, and our take profit is 143 pips, which is 2 times our stop loss. And I could easily do that by just using this tool. Let's just say again, I want to enter again on a trade. I'm thinking to enter on a trade somewhere. We're going to use it when we are actually doing a replay. Let's just say I want to enter on a trade somewhere here. I want to put my stop loss just below this area here. If I put it there, I can see the stop loss there is actually 112 pips. So our take profit, what's our take profit going to be? Our take profit is supposed to be 112 times 2, which is 224, right? So if I keep dragging it up here, 224 should be somewhere here. All right, so it should be up here. So that's it, 224, 225, around that same figure. And at the same time, what can you see? You can see risk to reward is 2, 1:2. So it's either I'm looking at this figure, or the easiest is just for you to just be looking at where it says risk to reward. Once it gives you 2, then you stop at that area, because that's a risk to reward of 1:2. If you are going for a risk to reward of 1:3, just keep pushing it up until you see 1:3. That's it. It means your take profit is going to be 3 times your stop loss. So that's how you use this tool. And the same thing, conversely, you also use it if you are selling. You just go, you click on short position. If I'm selling somewhere here and I want my stop loss to be here, let's just say I'm selling, I want my stop loss to be there, and I want to go for a risk to reward of 1:2, then I'll just do the same thing. I just drag until I see 2. That's it. If I want to go for 1:3, I just drag until I see 3. That's it. Boom. So that's it, 3. I can even go for a risk to reward of 1:4. I can even go for 1:5. I can even go for 1:6. You see, I could even still go. I could even go for 1:7. So this setup alone could have easily given me a risk to reward of 1:7. That's risking $1,000 and you made $7,000. Even if you are just right 2 times out of 10 times, you still be making money with that kind of risk to reward. That's what they call the home run. All right. Even if you are just right 2 times out of 10 times, you still be making money. Let's calculate. 2 times, you already made 7 times 2. You already made 14% of your account, right? And since it's out of 8 trades or out of 10 trades, 8 of those trades were losers, meaning you are only risking 1%. So you lose 8% and you made 14% of your account. So at the end of the day, you are up with almost about plus 6% of your account. That's what they call risk management when it comes to Forex trading. Then, which other one again? So we are almost finished with this particular one right here. And then let's go down. This is just zoom in, zoom out. You can actually click on an area. It's going to zoom in that area for you. You can see that area is now zoom out for you. You can just go back to where it was. Just zoom in. You can easily just go back to where it was. All right. But that zoom in, zoom out. You can see that zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out is right there. All right. So let's just click here again, and then I can easily just zoom in. It goes back to where it was. So this anchor is called, this one is called magnet. Maybe weak magnet, strong magnet. I personally don't use this a lot because I don't even see the reason for it. So we're just going to leave it the way it is. And then this one is called keep drawing. Maybe you want to keep drawing and stuff like that. So, you know, there are a lot of things you can do here. And then this one is called hide option. Maybe you want to just hide everything. You can see everything we put on our chart. If you just click on that button, it's just going to automatically hide everything. All right, hide everything. You can click on it, hide drawings, hide indicators, hide positions, hide all. It's going to hide everything. Maybe I want to hide all of the drawings. I just go back there and I choose all of the drawings. It's going to leave my indicators intact. But that is it. Then if I'm done, I want to delete everything. I just come back here. Maybe I want to remove 14 drawings, or I want to remove all the indicators, or I want to remove all of the drawings. But I just want to remove everything so that our chart should go back to how it was. That is it. That's how you use the chart analytical tools right here. Have fun with it. You can always go. Remember, if you go here and you don't find anything, it means you need to click this small arrow so that you can see it right there. If you go here and you don't find it, it means maybe someone was using the spiral and then left it where it was, and then you need to actually go in again and then change it from the spiral to another thing. All right, because here it shows that's the active one. Maybe someone was using the Elyon wave or whatsoever. So you can always go there, and then you can, let's say I want to use my FIPS. I just go there and I look for now my FIPS. Okay, let's go head and shoulder. Let's see which one do we use most often here, so that we can put it just the way it was. But anyway, we can always come back here and we change it, right? And then my Fibonacci, right, that's it here. I use it most of the time, so I like to just leave it there. Then for my drawings, I use it most of the time, so I like to just leave it the way it is. So that is it, guys. That is how to use the chart analytical tools in TradingView. Let's go to the next one, which is the most important feature called the risk to reward and the replay trading. I already showed you guys the risk to reward option, which was this one where if you enter here, you can easily just calculate how much you are risking, your stop loss, your take profit. We've already spoken about this tool. Like I said, I started using TradingView just because of this tool. It can actually show you the risk to reward, can show you how much you are risking. MetaTrader 5 doesn't have this as of now. So that is how I remember. Conversely, you can also do that if you are selling. You just come here and you click on short position, and if you click here, then you can actually just say, let's say our stop loss wanted to be there, then you wanted to go for a risk to reward or 1:2, boom, you can see it's very, very easy. So that is that for that one. Then let's go to replay trading. Replay trading, also known as backtesting. So when you are backtesting, how do you let's just say you see a chart and you're telling yourself like, okay, for this particular strategy, what would have actually happened if I was trading this strategy in real market conditions? So the only thing you need, the highest thing you need at that point in time will be replay trading, so that you can see what actually happened. So let's actually do replay trading on Euro USD or on XAUSD on gold, as if we're trading that day using the GU MVRO strategy. All right, so to replay, you just come up here. That's the bar right there. You just click on it. That's the replay. And then I just want us to, you can see this bar. If you are doing this, it means it shows you where you have to start the replay. So I want us to start the replay somewhere here. I want us to start the replay somewhere there. And I want us to put our indicators. Let's go here and put our indicators. And then we're going to put again another one. We're just going to quickly change the settings. So this one is going to be input. It's going to be 10. Exponential, we're going to put it on HL2, confirm, and then we'll just quickly go on this one and put this one on 23 exponential, and then HL2, we're going to change the color of this one to red, and then we can increase the thickness a little bit. Let's go back to 10 and increase the thickness visibility. Let's increase the thickness a little bit. Voila. So we have our two indicators right here on our chart. GU MVRO is simple. Anytime we have a moving average crossover, that already indicates that the market is selling. We are already looking for sell opportunities. Anytime we have a moving average, the moving average cross, that shows us that the market is buying. We are all looking for buy opportunities. So let's use these tools. I'll show you guys these tools. So let's just take an example here, and then we'll use the tools and I will show you guys. So I can just go back here, and then I'll go on brushes, right? I go under brushes and I'll just click on the brush, and let's just say the market is going down. This is a typical downtrend, right? Most of the time, before this market start going down, you'll see something like this, where the fast moving average will cross over the slow moving average from above. So this one here will indicate a downtrend. In that case, we'll be able to sell somewhere here. And anytime the market push, remember, the market doesn't just go like a slingshot and hit your take profit. The market normally breathe out and breathe in, breathe out and breathe in, contract and extract, right? So most of the time that contraction is what we call a retracement in the market. So with that retracement, you don't know how far that retracement is going to be before the normal trend is going to resume. So that's why you use a tool known as the Fibonacci tool to easily catch the level where the market can retrace back to that particular level. Then you'll be looking to sell if it was a downtrend, and if it was an uptrend, you'll be looking to buy. So in our case, if this was our most recent swing high and our most recent swing low, it means we're going to bring our Fib, just go under Fibonacci. We're going to draw it from there to there, and you can see the market push back to almost about 38% level. The three key levels here are the 38% level, the 50% level, or the 61% level. You can either call it the 0.38, 0.5, 0.61 level, or I just like to put it in terms of percent, where you just multiply it by 100. I call it the 38% level, the 50% level, or the 61% level. If the market can push back to any of those areas and then close bearish if it's a bearish trend, or close bullish if it was in the bullish trend, then we'll be looking to sell or buy respectively. So we'll have sold somewhere here, you see, so we can bring in our short position. We'll have sold somewhere here, our stop loss right here, and then our take profit, we go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Can you see that? A risk to reward of 1:2, that's how you trade. Immediately it hits your take profit, you don't need to worry, you need to wait again for the market. At that point in time, this area here will become what? Our most recent swing low. This one will become our most recent swing high. So our Fib will all go down from here to here, and then wait for the market to push back to this key area again, and then we enter again, stop loss, and you just keep doing that until you see now something like this. All right, so in most cases you see now this chart will do like this, like this, like this. So this area here is what you call your neckline. So the neckline was broken somewhere here, and the market moves from a downtrend to an uptrend. So by the time the market moves to an uptrend right here, you normally see something like this, where the fast moving average, which is the 10 exponential moving average, crosses over the slow moving average, which is the 23 exponential moving average, from below. So this cross will be somewhere here, and it will then confirm an uptrend. And then you just keep doing the same thing. Our most recent swing low would be here, most recent swing high, meaning our Fib will instead go from here to here, and then we wait for the market to push back to our 38% level, or 50 or 61, and we buy. The same thing, our most recent swing low is going to be here. So most recent swing low on this one is going to be here. Most recent swing high is going to be here. And then again, we do the same thing. We take our Fibonacci from here to here, wait for the market. You see that? So now, after explaining the theory of this strategy, like I said, it's almost a 1 hour strategy video on my page, on my channel, explaining to you guys step by step. So if you haven't watched that strategy, go and watch the strategy. Now, for the purpose of the video, let's go back here and continue our replay, right? Let's just delete the drawings, remove 31 drawings, 2 indicators, going to remove everything. So let's see, let's just leave it the way it is. Let's leave it the way it is. And then, because if I go under indicator, it's just going to remove everything. So let's try to remove them one by one and see. Remove 31. Okay, I'm just going to remove just the drawings. Let's remove just the drawings. And after explaining the methodology of the strategy, let's now replay and see what would have happened, right? So to replay is easy. If you are on a Mac, you just press a control and keep pressing the arrow key. The arrow key is going to, when you come here, you just go there. It's going to show the shortcut. It's very, very easy. And then that is it. So let's go, guys. Or you just keep clicking this button right down here, and it's going to replay, and it's going to keep replaying forward. You see, can you see that? So you just keep replaying it. You just keep clicking that button. But in most cases, I just try to click on control, and I just keep clicking the arrow key. Okay. Let's go back here, and we make sure, let me just make sure it's on again. Okay, so yes, if you're in Mac, you press Shift, and if you're in Windows, I think it's Control. Just try out Shift or Control, one of those, whether you're on Mac or Windows, and one of those is going to be that option. So let's continue our replay. And this trend is almost dying off. So what I'm only looking for where the market is going to actually cross to an uptrend. All right. I'm looking for where the market is going to cross to an uptrend. So let's go Let's go, let's go. Okay, but now we need to be patient. We need to be patient. We need to be patient. Not yet. It hasn't crossed yet. Perfect. That is it. That is it. So we would have entered right here. So we're going to buy. We are buying, guys. We are buying. We are buying. We just confirm a cross. So we are entering on a long right here. This one, I'm not risking too much. I'm risking just 100 pips and I'm going for 200 pips. Remember, this is the 1 hour time frame. So I'm going for 200 pips. Risk to reward of 1:2. Boom. That's it. That's it. That's it. So that's our typical trade. Once I already see this, I immediately just run back to my MetaTrader 5. I just go and open the same currency pair. That was gold. I go back to, it was the 1 hour time frame. And then I just go here, calculate. I must have already, then you need a tool to calculate the risks on that particular trade. So in most cases, go to Lionheart Funding Program, position size calculator, and then you'll be able to calculate the lot size you can use on that particular trade. So let's just say I've already calculated and I want to use a 4 lot size. Boom, I just come there, put 4, and it was a buy. I'll just click on buy. I just put where my stop loss. If I come here again, I can clearly see where my stop loss is going to be. That is it right there. I can clearly see where my take profit is going to be. Easy. Or since I already know that this is going to be 100 pips, I just go on modify on MetaTrader 5 and I just put there 100 pips. It's as easy as that. All right. So we are already in this trade. Remember, this was since about 3 weeks ago. And we are just replaying and backtesting it as if we were actually trading it that day. Doesn't make sense. So let's continue to see if we would have made money or not on this particular trade. And we are only risking 1% of our account to go for 2%. So let's go. Let's go. We just click on shift and then we continue. Boom, 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 boom. Damn it. You see what happened? You see what happened? We are already in our trade by almost about 1 arrow. So let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The market started pushing against us. We are still in the game. We are still in the money. Remember, so long as it's above this green, it means, so long as it's in the green, that was money, we're in the money. If it pushes into the red, it means we're out of the money. But our stop loss is right here. This is the key area where we have our stop loss, right here. This is our stop loss. Remember, we are using all the tools we just explained. So our stop loss is right there. And then you can even just duplicate this. Just go to clone. Clone is right there. And then you can drag it up there. So our take profit is now right there. So this is our take profit. Take profit. I just like putting take profit in a different color. I can put it in green. And that is it. See this. So now we are using everything I just explained to you guys. This was our stop loss, our take profit. So let's go. Let's see what happened. Okay, the market pushed back against us again. Boom, boom, boom. You can see we hit our take profit right there. That is it. Our take profit was hit. If I can take it a little bit, that was our take profit hit. So since our take profit has already been hit, that is what? That's plus 2% of our account. Plus 2% of our account. I want us to continue backtesting, right? Let's continue now replaying and we'll look for where we can have a pullback to re-enter in the trade. Remember, this is our most recent swing low right here. We are now looking for our most recent swing high so that we can bring in our FIB and see if we would have entered the trade. So let's play, let's go, let's replay and go. Okay, okay, okay. So this one right here would have been our most recent swing high. So if I can bring in my FIB, remember we are replaying it as if we're actually trading it that same day. If I could bring in my FIB from most recent swing low to most recent swing high, you can see this pullback wasn't up to the 38% level, the 50 or the 61% level. So that's when it closes bullish, we didn't take any action. If it actually pushed right down to our 38% level or 50 or 61% level and closed bullish like this, then we would have taken a trade. So that's why you see we let that one slide. So let's continue playing. We are still up with plus 2%. So let's continue playing to see what happened after that. The market continue going up. So long as we still start pushing down like this, remember this is still our this one here should be our most recent swing low. So we need to, let's remove our FIB and then the FIB should be now, our FIB should be, this should be our most recent swing low and our most recent swing high. So we can bring our FIB from here right up to here. You can see the market already pushed right down to our 61% level. So if the market can close down bullish, if we can just see the market now closing, the candle close bullish, we're going to be entering on a buy. So let's play and see. Okay, let's see. Okay, the market still push down. If you can just close bullish, we're entering on a buy. That's it. We buying, guys. We're going in. I just gave the signal. Johnny, are you with me? Johnny, let me know. Johnny, are you with me? Now, I'm indirectly already teaching you a trading strategy which you start using to pass profit challenges to make a lot of money. Even though the video was all about TradingView, but I'm showing you guys about the replay option. So Johnny, we're going to be entering right here. We're going to be entering on a long. Our stop loss is going to go right here on 87 pips, and we'll go for a risk to reward of 1:2. That's it right there. Boom. That's 1:2. So Johnny, remember we are still up with plus 2% of our account. So let's go. Let's replay and see what would have happened. Just 2 candles, we are already in the money. Let's go. Damn it. Johnny, did you see what happened? Even if you were going for a risk to reward of 1:4, you would have hit your take profit in less than 2 hours. But that is, remember, one of these candles represents 1 hour. But Johnny, remember Johnny, we're going to edit this again. You are up with plus 4% because you just hit 2% of your account again. You are up with plus 4%. So Johnny, at this point in time, the most recent swing low is going to be this one right here. So our most recent swing low is going to be this one. And now we are looking for our most recent swing high. So swing high is when the market now, remember, we already have something like this. The market now is doing this. So we're waiting for the market to start pulling down so that we can use this area as our most recent swing high. So let's play and see. Let's go. Until the market start pushing down, then that becomes our most recent swing high. Okay, that wasn't it. Let's go. Perfect. So this becomes our most recent swing high, swing low, swing high. So we can plot this one right here. If we can bring our feet from here to here, we're waiting for the market to push right down to this key area from 38 to 61. So waiting for the market to push right down here and then close bullish before we can look for a buy. So let's play to see if that would have happened. Okay, that didn't happen. So the market continued going up. And as it continues going up, now we have a new recent swing low. Our new most recent swing low becomes that one. So let's go. Okay, most recent swing low was here. Most recent swing high was there. So let's see if we can bring our feet from there to there. The market already pushed down to our 61% level. If we can close bullish, we're going to be looking for a buy opportunity. We're going to be buying. So let's play and see. Okay, push down again. Let's play and see. Perfect. That's a buy. That's a clear buy right there. That's a clear buy. So we're going to be entering a buy right there. So I just want to minimize this. So we're entering on a long position. So we've only been getting long position. We're going to risk 120 pips to go for 240 pips. Risk to reward of 1:2. Let's play and see if we would have hit take profit on this one. Johnny, remember we are already up with 4% of our account. So let's go. This one would have hit. Remember this one, we are almost losing on this particular one, but our stop loss is right here. This is where we have our stop loss right here. So we are still very safe. Stop loss is right there. So we are still very, very safe on this particular one. So let's continue playing and going. Okay, we are already in the money. Let's go. We are out of the money again. Let's go. Okay, that was it. It stopped right there because that's the current, that's today. It means we've already backtested. We backtested for the past 2 weeks from last week to today. This candle right here, you can see that's the 17th of March, and that's exactly 11:28, which is the same time I'm recording this video. So by now we are already in that trade. This is our stop loss and that is our take profit. So guys, keep me posted if we are able to hit this particular, guys. Just go back and check and let me know in the comment section if we would have hit this particular take profit on this particular trade by the time you guys are watching this video. All right, because this video is obviously going to be up today or tomorrow, but go back and check to see if we did hit take profit on this one. But even if we don't hit take profit on this one, we have already predefined our risks. I know that if I don't hit take profit here, how many percent am I risking per trade? I'm only risking 1%. Meaning at the end of the day, Johnny will still be up by plus 3% because 1% will just be subtracted here. Johnny will still be up with plus 3% of his account. That is what they call proper risk management when it comes to trading. So that's replaying for you. That's replaying. You just go up there, you click. So long as it's still highlighted, it means once it's highlighted, it means you can go back again. You click, you start replaying, and you can be able to test a lot. The replaying bar is still, let's just go down here. Let's cancel it. Let's remove this. Replay bar is right down. You can still replay trading. So it's either you click that button or you just come down here and you click on what they call replay trading. Then you go to replay trading, start replay trading, and you can always launch replay bar. It's right there. It's right there. And you can always minimize this. You can always minimize that. So that is it, guys. That is it. We've also touched a lot on replay example. We've already touched on how to add indicators. So with all of this, let's go through our roadmap again. We've talked, let's see. We've spoken about what is TradingView, why you should even use TradingView, what TradingView is best for. We've also spoken about how to log into TradingView, how to set up your chart/layout, how to add a new asset or new watch list, how to use chart analytical tools, how to add indicators, how to use indicators, most important features like risk to reward and replay trading, how to use the replay trading option, and then a replay example. We just used a replay example which we did make about 4% of our account, and we are currently still running in profit. So guys, let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Share this video with someone, because trust me, 80% of traders are suffering on how to use MetaTrader, on how to use TradingView. If you go on the internet, I've personally watched videos on YouTube, and there is no precise video that goes straight to the point, shows you how to set your chart, how to set your chart for trading, strictly for trading. Because people say how to put this indicator, you see their charts are full of 2 million indicator. No. I don't want to confuse you guys. So share this video with someone, share it with your spouse, with your friend, with your brother, with your sister, so that it can save them a lot of time. Also leave a thumb up on the video, and if you've been watching and you haven't subscribed, guys, smash the subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel. And if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, where we're going to be able to trade together, you can see most of the strategy we just spoke about are from Godlove University. So if you want to be part of Godlove University, where you're going to join other students to be able to trade live with me, see live examples, live payout, then check the link below to enroll in Godlove University. I'm talking about one of the most viral and the most profitable Forex robots that you can also do your analysis like this, and then the robot comes in and manage your money, manage your risks, manage your emotion and everything. The robot is known as Petrex Pro. You can also check the link on the video description to get Petrex Pro. Petrex Pro has won the award of the most profitable Forex robot 3 years in a row. So it's not by chance that the robot has won 3 years in a row. Also make sure you are trading with a prop firm that will be able to process your payout within 24 hours. That will allow you to trade up to $600,000. So check out the link below to sign up with Lionheart Funding Program, one of the fastest growing prop firms out there, which has paid out hundreds upon hundreds of traders, and they will be able to pay you out within 24 hours. So this is your time to start trading with big capital. So anytime you think of a prop firm, sign up with Lionheart Funding Program, choose your account size, and that's how you're going to be able to trade with bigger capital. Also join my free Telegram, where I'm able to share free tips, share free giveaways, and a lot of things. You'll also be able to find my free Telegram link on the video description, my recommended brokers. Make sure you're using the right broker that will be able to pay you when you actually make the money. So also check the links on the video description. I did spoke about GUMVRO, so check the link that is going to be coming at the end, the video coming at the end of the screen, because that video was a live video I made showing you guys how to trade with the GUMVRO, and I did it live, making almost about 10% of my account on my FTMO account live on camera, alright, live on camera. So check out that video, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.